Hey guys, it's International Egg Day. So we're gonna make one of the most underrated curries I think that is out there. An egg curry. Watch this space. All right, let's start by boiling a few eggs. Add some oil to a pan. Add the eggs, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder. Give it a spin. Add some more oil, bay leaves, cinnamon, star anise. Throw in some onions, give it a stir. Throw in some chopped tomatoes, give it another stir. Some ginger garlic paste, coriander, cumin, black pepper, garam masala, give it a stir again. Throw in some water, put the lid on. After about 15 minutes, take the lid off. You know what? Add in the eggs, give it a stir. Add in some green chilies, some fresh coriander, and that's it, folks. There's your egg curry. Time to give this a test. Get some bread, get some egg. Sensational.